Hey guys, in this video we're going to review Seafile. Seafile is a fast, reliable, and privacy-friendly file syncing and sharing solution. Like OwnCloud, it's self-hosted, meaning you get full control over your data. It's designed for speed and performance. Syncing files feels quick and smooth, even with large folders. Seafile stands out for its efficiency. It uses fewer system resources compared to many competitors. The web interface is clean and easy to navigate, and the desktop mobile apps are responsive and stable. It lets you organize your files into libraries, which can be synced independently, very helpful for managing large amounts of data. Sharing is easy, and you can set permissions, passwords, and expiration dates on shared links. One of its best features is file versioning, which helps you recover old versions if needed. Seafile also supports end-to-end encryption, keeping your files secure. Collaboration tools like document previews, group workspaces, and file comments make it suitable for teams. The Community Edition is free and has most core features, while the Pro version adds things like file locking, full text search, and AD's LDP integration. Installation is fairly straightforward, though not ideal for total beginners. Overall, Seafile is a lightweight, secure, and fast alternative to cloud storage apps, especially great for teams and power users. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.